Hello children, another video in maths, chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Now here we will study elimination method. Hope you have seen the previous video where elimination method was also explained to you. Today we will do a few more sums based on elimination method. You have learned substitution method. We will now see elimination method, and then another method you have cross multiplication method. Three methods for solving a pair of linear equations algebraically. Now here we start with exercise 3.4 and take a question from your NCERT book. Question number 1. Say the second one. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Equal to 10. This is first equation, and the second one is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. 2x minus 2y equal to 2. This is the second equation given. Now we will be solving this by elimination method. Now what does the name suggest? Elimination. You have to eliminate. You have to remove. Now how can you remove? Remove means either x or y, any one has to be removed. Now they can be removed only when they are same in both the equations. And how can we make them? Okay, let us see here. We have 3x and here 2x. They are not same. Okay, this is 4y, this is 2y. Again they are not same. So how can we make them same? This is 4y. If I can make this 4, isn't it? Then here 4y, here 4y. The signs we will come later. Okay. First we will make the coefficients equal. How can we make this 4y? If I multiply this 2 by 2, I get 4. So to multiply this by 2, I cannot multiply this alone. I have to multiply the full equation by 2. So my first step will be multiply equation 2 by 2. Let us see what happens. Multiply equation 2 by 2. So what do we get? 4x minus 2 into 2, 4y equal to 4. Suppose this is equation 3. Now see this equation 1 and equation 3. 3x, 4x not same. 4y, 4y. Now one variable is same. So now we can easily eliminate. How can we eliminate? We will see this equation 1 and equation 3. So you can write from equation adding equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1 is 3x plus 4y equal to 10, and this one is 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Now why did we add? We added because this one 4y and minus 4y, they are opposite in signs. One is plus 4, one is minus 4. Therefore we added the two equations. On adding, what will happen? 4y minus 4y gets cancelled. 3 plus 4, 7x equal to 14. So x will be 14 by 7 equal to 2. If you get the same coefficients, if the signs are same, then what do? Instead of adding, we will subtract. Okay, we will come to a question like that next. So since they were opposite in signs, we added the two equations and we got x equal to 2. Now what do? This x equal to 2, we substitute in any of the equations. So after this, substituting x equal to 2, suppose in equation equation 1. 3x, x is 2, plus 4y equal to 10, or 6 plus 4y equal to 10, or 4y is 10 minus 6, that is 4. 4y is equal to 4, so y equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So you get the answer, x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Okay, so this we have done by elimination method. Understood, children? Okay, come on, let's see another sum. Okay, children, we have another sum. Now again we will be solving it by elimination method. Come on, let's see. See the first equation. What do we do here? We first take the LCM. 6. So you have 3x plus 2 4y equal to minus 1, or 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Okay. Similarly, we change this equation. 3x minus y equal to 3, or 3x minus y equal to 3 into 3, 9. You can put this equation number 4 and this one equation number 3. Okay, so now we have these two equations. 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y equal to 9. We have to eliminate. So we have to make any of the variables equal in both the equations. So you see, we have 3x here, we have 3x here. So we have we just got same in both the equations. So we do not have to multiply or anything. So what can we do? We can just take these two equations and since this is also plus, this is also plus, as I said earlier, same sign, we will subtract. So what do we write? Subtracting. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. So what do we get? We get 3x minus y equal to 9, and this one 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Now you know, when we subtract, what do? We change the signs. So here this plus becomes minus, this plus again minus, this minus will become plus. So now you have 3x minus 3x minus y minus 4y, that is minus 5y equal to 9 plus 6, that is 15. So y will be 15 by minus 5. You get minus 3. Now what do? We substitute again this value in any of the equations, either 3 or 4. So let's substitute here. Substituting y equal to minus 3 in equation 4. 3x minus y is minus 3 equal to 9. 3x minus y, so 3x minus, and just in place of y minus 3. So what do you get? 3x minus minus plus 3 equal to 9, or 3x is 9 minus 3, that is 6. So x will be 6 by 3, that is 2. So again we got the value of x equal to 2. So what is our answer? Answer is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so again you see that we have done this by elimination method. You can do the same sums by substitution method. You will find, you will do it and you will check whether you get the same answer or not. Okay, by substitution, by elimination, by cross multiplication, by graphical method, any way you solve, you should get x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. So understood, children? Okay, so let it be this much for today. Thank you.